Hello class 1, welcome back to your English literature class children. So in the previous class we were doing the back exercise of chapter 6, isn't it? The boy and the toffees, isn't it? So we have done the word wall part of it. Today we will do the grammar time. Children, you open your book at page number 63. This is page number 63 and we will do this grammar time. Is it clear? Take a pencil in your hand. Okay. So, and you all know that this is your book New Mulberry Part 1, isn't it? New Mulberry Part 1. We were doing chapter number 6 and today in this class we will do grammar time. Okay. So, I think all of you are ready with your books and your pencil. Shall I start? Okay, let's get started. See children, today we will do grammar time and in under grammar time what we'll do is present time. Okay, what do you mean by present time? When you talk about some event that is going on at present, isn't it? That is present time shows the action that happens on regular basis. Okay, regularly. Suppose I get up at 7 o'clock daily in the morning. So it is what? It shows the action or something that I do regularly or every day. Okay, he brushes his teeth at 7:30 o'clock in the morning every day. So this is what he regularly does. So this shows present time. So here in this chapter, when we were discussing the chapter, we got a sentence. So you can see the sentence written here. You read the sentence with me. This is the sentence. Arnab's mother goes out to buy groceries every Wednesday. Clear? Means she goes to buy groceries every Wednesday. She does the work on a regular basis. Okay, means on every Wednesday. So such type of sentences shows us the action has taken place in the present time. Okay, it is in this sentence. So this sentence, Arnab's mother goes out to buy groceries every day is in present time. We talk about the present time, means Arnab's mother goes out. Okay, turn the page. Open your page as page number 64. I will show you two more examples that I have already discussed with you. See, number 1 is I get up at 7 o'clock. Means on regular basis I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, then he gives me toffees daily. Okay, he gives me toffees daily means he does this activity on regular basis or on every day. Okay, so these sentences speaks about the present time. Clear? So present time, what do you mean by present time? And when you go to the higher classes, so you will know what is present tense. Then we will change the term. The present time will change into present tense. Okay, so and this thing you will do in detail in your language class. Okay, so present time is used to show something that happens regularly or every day. Clear? Is it clear to you? The sun rises in the morning. So we know that this happens on regular basis. So here this sentence shows us or this sentence explains something, tells us something that happens on regular basis. So it is called present time. Clear? So if it is clear to you, let us do one exercise given in page number 64. So children, open your book at page number 64. Okay, this is the page and we will do this exercise. I hope you have taken a pencil in your hand so that we can do all together. Okay, here we can see a passage. Let me read out the question. The passage below shows us that Rajat does what Rajat does on every weekdays. Okay, we are talking about a child whose name is Rajat. So the passage below, you will get one passage. It shows us what he does, that particular boy, that is Rajat, does on weekdays. Okay, so his regular activity. Now fill in the blanks with the words given below to complete the passage. So this is a passage given. So few words you will get here, means all these are the verbs. Okay, and here these are the blanks given. This passage you have to fill up. We can see a boy here, isn't it? His name is what? Rajat. So see, now first picture you can see him in the bed. Then what happened? He is having the breakfast, then he is studying, then he is playing. 4 pictures we can see. Okay, now we'll fill up the blanks. Let us do the fill up together. Okay, so see, number 1, Rajat dash up at 7 a.m. Then we'll have to choose the words from the help box. Wakes, plays, brushes, eats, comes, goes, takes and reads. So these are the few words given here. So see, Rajat up at 7 a.m. So what we'll write here, we can see him on the bed, isn't it? So he wakes. Rajat wakes. W-A-K-E-S. The first one. See. Rajat wakes up at 7 a.m. Then what he does? So his daily routine is, it is his daily routine. Then he dash his teeth. Then what he does? He brushes. Obviously he brushes. You also do, isn't it? B-R-U-S-H-E-S. He brushes his teeth. Done. And does a shower. Then he takes a shower. So here you will write T-A-K-E-S. Takes. He takes a shower. Then his breakfast. He dash his breakfast. Then he eats. E-A-T-S. Eats. He eats his breakfast. Then what he does? He dash to school in a bus. So he goes. He goes to school in a bus. G-O-E-S. Finish? Then he dash books at school. What he does? He reads. R-E-A-D-S. Reads. He reads books in school. Isn't it? What he does? He reads book at school. Then he with his friend during the interval. What he does? He plays. He plays. He plays. He plays with his friend during the interval. Then he dash home in the afternoon. Then he comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Okay, he comes home in the afternoon. So this is how you will do this. Clear? So number 1 will be wakes. Then number 2 will be brushes. Number 3 will be takes. Number 4 will be eats. Number 5 will be goes. Number 6 will be reads. He reads book at school. Then number 7 is he plays with his friend during the interval. And then last one, 8 will be he comes home in the afternoon. So all these sentences shows the activity that is done on regular basis, and we call it present time. Okay. So I think you have written, and please send the work for correction. Do it itself in the book. Okay, everyone will do it in the book itself. Okay, no need of writing in the CW copy or anywhere else. Write in the book, do in the book, and then send it for correction. So write the name of the subject teacher and the name of the subject. Clear? So thank you. Have a nice day.